Okay, sir.
Now the division method for finding the square root, that was the factorization method, and here we have the division method. And division method, we division method and division method. Let us okay. One minute. Okay, this line, this symbol, this is used for the square root, and square root of what number? 784. First step, make pairs from right to left. This is right and that is left. From right there is one pair. Pair आप बनाते जाएं. So there is 84 is pair. Pair mean two numbers. Okay. Now how can we do this 7? You have to do this as two twos are, one ones are, three threes are, four fours are, five fives are, six six are. So what will be for 7? That should not exceed the 7. If we take two twos are, this two twos are will give you 4. If we take three threes are, so that exceed from 7. So that's why we are taking only two twos are. So when we subtract this, we will get what? 3. And bring this pair down. So this becomes 84, 384. No.
Wallpaper for girls
Pair of double of it. Double of 2 is 4. Now start the table of what? That will be 4.
الدور لقوا وزك زمان بدي كلاس أصو لجينا كان مينا كان نلقوا.
Hello, don't talk. Double it. So from its double, you are getting 4. Now we have to take here a number, and that number must complete this one. So if we take 8, so 8 should be there as well. So 8 are what? 8 are
16.
8 are 64. 8 twos are 16. 8 are 64. So you just write 4 there and 6 is here. So 8 fours are what? 8 fours are 32. 32 and this 6 becomes what? 38. Yes. So that is done. No remainder. That 28 is the answer that you have solved in the previous question as well. Let me do it again. Here we have 784, and we are interested to find its square, its square root. So first, what we have to do? We have to make pairs from the right. So there are only one pair. Now, to divide 7, we have to divide this 7 as this two twos are, three threes are, four fours are. So what is the, so if we take two twos are 4, this is 4. When we subtract this, we are getting 3. So कट रही है.
अभी सही हो गई.
Okay. देखिए, we are having 7 here. So you have to divide 7 as 2 twos are, 3 threes are, 4 fours are, which is suitable. So 2 twos are suitable because 2 twos are 4. And if you take 3 threes are, so 3 threes are, wait a minute, there is, okay, and 3 threes are that 9. If you take 3 and 3, and 3 threes are that in 3. Wait a minute. Okay, now 2 twos are, it's done. Let wait a minute. There is, the screen should be a bit clear. Yes, it is okay now. 2 twos are 4, 3 is the remainder. Now bring this 84 down. This 2 becomes double of 2, which is 4. No, select a number that should divide this 784, the 384. If we take here 8, so 8 should be there. Now multiply this 8 with 8, you will get 8 8s are 64. So 6 is here. Now again 8, 8 4s are 32, 32, and this 6, this becomes 38. So the question is done. This is the square root. So 28 is the square root of 784. This was the division method. Okay. Now we will have a few questions. This is already done. This is done. You can check it. Okay, moving to the next question. Let do this one. Can you do 256?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me do it again by two methods. First, by factorization method, then by division. By factorization method, we will take only this 256 and write in this way. That is divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2. And for this 5, what we have to do? 2 twos are 4, and 1 from this 5 will move here. That becomes 16. So 2
8s.
2 8s are 16. Yes. So again, we can do it by 2. 2 6 are 12.
2
4s are yes.
4 8.
2 3s are
4 are 8.
2 1s are, and 2 6 are 12. 2 8s
2
are
8 is 16.
2 4s are
2 4s are 8. 2
4
2s are 4. 2 1s are 2.
2 twos are again. That's done. So again, we know that 256. The square root of 256. 256 is equals to how many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It means 2 power 2. 2 power 2. 2 power 2. Combine two twos. 2 power 2. Not taking the square root of 256.
इसके ऊपर स्क्वायर रूट सर डालें.
बिल्कुल अभी लगाया. So that's the square root.
बस ये स्क्वायर कट जाएंगे.
बिल्कुल कट जाएंगे. तो क्या रह जाएगा?
2 2 2 2
2 2 2.
Yes. So
2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16.
4 2s are 8 8 2s are
Yes.
16.
Yes. So what does it mean by the square root of 256? That is
16.
equal to 16. So it means if you multiply 16 and 16, that will give you 256. Okay. That's the idea of the square root. The main idea of the square root. Okay. You can
Okay, sir.
take its screenshot, or it is in the recording as well. Okay, now doing this 256 by division method. For division method, we put this 256. Now, first step is make pair. So there is only one pair. Now, how can we do this 2? By 1 ones are 2, 2s are 3, 3s are, which is suitable one? Which one is good for it? Remember, in division, you have to deal with the 1 ones are 2, 2s are 3, 3s are 4, 4s are. Not 2 5s are 2, 3s are nahi. Not only 2 1, not 2 2s are. So this is 1 ones are. 1 ones are is 1. So subtracting this 1, we are getting 1 and bring this pair down.
Isa kayo kaya?
Okay, now double of it.
Kaya?
Double of it, what will be? Double of 1 is
2.
2. Yes, sir. No, how will we? What we have to put here and there that give you this one? If I take, I have practice on it. If you practice, you will. These questions are very easy. So just take 6 because 6 are 36. We need 6 so and 6 are 36. There is 6. There will be 3 remainder and 6. They will multiply this 6 with 6 as well as with 2. 6 6 are is done. 6 2s are is what? 6 2s are
12.
12.
12.
Is 3. 15. Okay, that is done. So it means that the square root of 256 is what?
16.
Yes, 16. Okay, this is the second method. Okay, done.
Yes, sir. Dolly.
Okay, take the screenshot. If not, so you can watch it through the YouTube. Now checking the next question. Which one should I? Okay, okay.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
सर सर मैं रेहान से एक बात कहूँ
जी जी.
Thanks.
रेहान तूने कॉपी अलग है
नहीं.
Okay, now checking this 256. Sorry, 1156. So you know 1156.
तो जी
Yes.
हम चाय पीते हैं हम क्लास 10 करे हैं
तो फिर पीते जाए ना, मैं कौन सा आपसे पीता हूँ? पीते जाए, शाबाश, आप काम करते
रेहान
हैं।
रेहान आज का पहला कल हाँ रेहान
तो
आज लाऊंगा थोड़ी देर बाद.
कल पी लें।
अच्छा ठीक है
1156. So just by 2. So you know 2 5s are 10. So this one will move there, that become 15. 2 7s are 14. And here we will have 1. That one will move there. This becomes 16. 2 adds are 16. So again do it by for 2 2s are and 1 will move there, that becomes 6 17. 2 adds are 16. 2 9s are, it is done. Now what is the suitable one for 289? What is? Can you do it by 2?
No.
By 3? By what? Think over it.
पर क्लास में बहुत कम मिनट है जल्दी करे
Also,
वरना
you can do it.
Think over it. What do you think? Hello. Oh, kya? Are you working on it?
Yes, sir, we are working on it. There was class और भी बस हाँ वो हम इसको कर रहे हैं
It is, I think, one and
बस 11 20 पे और होती है 11 20 पर 8 मिनट है
how will we do this one? Try your it. Are you there?
Yes, sir. We are.
So how will we do?
what are you talking sir what are you talking about
We have 289 here. Are you trying on it? Working on it?
Yes, sir. We are working on it. Wait.
Okay. I think there are 10 students. And we have how much time? 15 minutes are left. Okay, try it on 3, 7, 9,
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
17.
Sir, you cannot do it on 9, 3 or.
Okay. It is only, we can do it only by 17. 17 ones are
Sir, you can do it by 17.
17 ones are 17. So one, what will be there? There will be 11, 11 and 19, 119. Just that can we do by 17. So 17, 17s are. So you got that 1156 is equals to 2 into 2 into 17 and 17. So this will be 2 square and 17 square. Just taking square root over it. So this will give you only 2. That will be only 17 and that is 34. So it means
34 is the square root of
yes,
1156.
1156 is its square root is 34. So it means when we multiply 34 and 34, we will get again 1156. Okay. Doing
Okay, sir.
this, the last one, do it in the division method. I'm doing this one. Okay, by division method. Division method is a bit a new method for you. So make pairs. Yes, there are 2 pairs. So now what we have to take, what number that will be for suitable for 14. So check it. 1 1s are 2 2s are 3 3s are 4 4s are. Which one is best? What do you think? Which number is best? Which number? Two 2s are 3 3s are 4 4s are. Which one of these? For this 14. Are you hearing me? Just take 3 3s are.
Sir.
Yes.
जी इसकी आवाज इतनी गंदी आ रही है जी आपका नेट बिल्कुल सही है
3 3s are 9. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. We are hearing.
सर सही है ये झूठ कह रहे हैं झूठ कह रहे
Okay.
हैं
3 3s are 9 is okay. If you take 4 4s are 16, so that exceed. That will be more than 14. So just take 3 3s are 9. When we subtract 9 from 14, we are getting 5. Now bring this pair down. 4, 4. Now square double of it. What is that? Double of it, that will be 6.
6, sir.
Now here we have 4. Take
7 sir.
7 7s are 49, but here there is no 9. So 7 7s are is not good. 7 7s are is not so
Sir?
good. Yes.
Sir, is this exercise?
No. These are just a practice questions.
Okay.
Let me check it. Let me check it. No, not exercise questions.
Okay.
These are on the page 34. It is also these are the practice question.
Okay.
Practice question.
Okay.
So if you take 8 8 so multiply this 8 with 8 and 66. So first 8 8s are 64. 6 is there. 8 6 are what? 48, and this 6 54. So it is done. The square root of 1444 is 38. Okay. So these are just practice questions, and I'm giving you only one question. You try to solve it. Okay.
Sir, अभी
नहीं, अभी फिर ये आपका कॉपी में करिए लिख के।
सही है। और सर
जी, ये नोट करें, अभी आपको क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ, एक क्वेश्चन नोट करें। 2.3 एक्सरसाइज 2.3 पेज नंबर 41।
सर एक सेकंड सर, तो हमारे साथ तो रफ कॉपीज में कर रहे हैं, रीड कॉपीज नहीं है।
हाँ चलो रफ में कर रहा हूँ। 5,184. Try this one, only this part. 5,000. Yes, rough copy में करें। Yes, rough copy में करें।
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the question is 5,184. ये 2.3 एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट पार्ट है। जस्ट ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करें।
ओके सर, ओके ओके।
जिस मेथड पे भी आप, चलो दोनों पे करें, डिवीजन एज वेल एज फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड। ओके
सही है सर।
okay, let me take your attendance